So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, we need to update our graphics card driver. But first, you need to find out whether you're using an NVIDIA, AMD or Intel graphics card. To find out, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now for me, I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card. So you want to take note of which manufacturer graphics card that you're using, either NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. There's going to be 3 links down below in the description for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab. And now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.